Hey, so I had a quick tip that I figured out with removing my bushings. I've seen other YouTubers using a shit ton of tools and trying to pry things. I found that if you use a ratchet strap, you can use that to pull the axle the opposite direction that it wants to go. In my case, the axle was trying to roll forward because the bushing in the back was crushed. So I attached to the cross member and then to the top of the axle just out of the way, made it tight until it nearly centered the bolt, and now I can pop that bolt out pretty easy. Then, alright, see ya. Installing the bushing went in really easy, so I'm not going to show that, but as far as getting the bolt in, I have the weight of the vehicle on the wheels right now, and I used a second ratchet strap also to the cross member in order to get the bolt hole aligned, and the bolt slid right in without using any force or any alignment tools other than the straps.